If you enjoy cooking your own recipes, you may have seen lemongrass floating around in a few of them recently. Although you might be more familiar with it as a candle scent, lemongrass is actually a natural herb that we've been using in our cooking for as long as records date back. You're most likely to find it in sweet teas and Thai dishes, as well as dishes including meat, seafood, and vegetables. It can be tempting to simply cut out lemongrass and other finicky ingredients that add flavor but not substance to a dish, but by doing so, you're really missing out on what the herb has to offer. Found in Asia, Africa, and Australia, lemongrass is a fantastic source of nutrients that can help with everything from weight loss to cancer treatment. It's likely that you've tried lemongrass before if you're a fan of dining out. It's distinctive for its citrusy, lemony flavor, which is derived from the stalk of the plant. While the flavor won't overpower your dishes, it gives a tangy kick that's similar to that of the juice of a lemon or lime. But aside from its delicious flavor, there are so many reasons to incorporate lemongrass into your diet. Stay tuned to listen out for the top 13 health benefits of lemongrass. Number 1. Boosts immune system and aids in weight loss. Lemongrass is a low-calorie herb, which makes it ideal for including in your diet if you're watching your weight. If you opt for lemongrass tea, you'll find it a satisfying beverage that fills you up, keeping you fuller for longer and making you less likely to reach for a sugary snack instead. Because it's also a natural diuretic, over time, lemongrass will help you to lose some water weight. Lemongrass contains polyphenols, a category of compounds found in lots of plant foods, that we know to increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Both of these contribute to weight loss. There's even some evidence to suggest that lemongrass may be able to boost metabolism and directly assist in weight loss. Number 2. Kills cancer cells. A recent study has found that lemongrass contains a number of important antioxidants, which may be able to fight off free radicals in the body. Free radicals attack cells, damaging them and causing them to divide unnaturally, which can eventually lead to cancer. It's thought that lemongrass may be able to not only fight off the cancer-causing free radicals in your body, and therefore inhibiting the early stages of cancer, especially that of the liver, but it may also induce cell death in cancer patients who are undergoing treatment. Even more interestingly, some studies have shown how lemongrass extracts might be effective as a non-toxic alternative to cancer treatment. Research in this area is still lacking, but it's promising to think that we may be able to naturally treat cancer with lemongrass one day. Number 3. Improves digestion. Finding a natural remedy for stomach cramping and other digestive issues can be difficult. Luckily, lemongrass is a solution that actually works for the majority of people. It has a number of anti-inflammatory properties that make it ideal for settling the stomach and aiding in digestion. A component called citrol, found in lemongrass, helps food to digest quickly and effectively, which is why lemongrass tea is favored as an after-dinner drink. Number 4. Cures stomach disorders. We've talked about lemongrass for digestion, and on a similar note, studies have also shown that lemongrass can help to cure stomach disorders and treat gastric ulcers. Impressively, research suggests that lemongrass can play a big part in fighting the infections caused by various harmful pathogens. It's also effective in preventing gastrointestinal disorders and reducing inflammation, which may help relieve pain from gastric ulcers, colitis, diarrhea, nausea, and stomach aches. Number 5. Treats cough and cold symptoms. There are many natural remedies out there for coughs and colds, but none quite so effective as lemongrass. Because lemongrass is a natural immunity booster, it might help you to ward off coughs and colds in the first place. But if you do find yourself feeling under the weather, the herb contains a wealth of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to decongest your airways, clearing rubbish and relieving sore throat. Lemongrass is also thought to stimulate lymph drainage, helping you to get over a common cold quicker. Number 6. Treats infections. Antiseptic medication is often expensive to buy from a pharmacy, so why not take the wallet-friendly option and consider lemongrass? The herb has been found to be effective in treating a whole host of infections, including ringworm, sores, scabies, UTIs, and athlete's foot, thanks to its impressive antimicrobial and antifungal properties. The herb works to inhibit the growth of pathogens that can lead to dermatological infections, such as yeast infections. Number 7. Improves skin health. Our diet has a massive effect on the health of our skin, which, as people often forget, is the biggest organ in our body. If there's something not quite right, your skin will be the first to tell you, as will it be the first to boast the effects of including herbs like lemongrass in your diet. Because lemongrass has a number of antiseptic and astringent properties, It can naturally boost skin health by toning the skin and adding radiance. Some studies even suggest that lemongrass might prevent skin cancer from forming. For the best results, consider purchasing essential lemongrass oil to apply topically. Number 8. Controls blood glucose levels. We don't know much on this yet, but several studies have found evidence that lemongrass can lower blood sugar levels, which may be particularly beneficial to people with type 2 diabetes. Another study also found that the essential oil of lemongrass helped encourage cells to consume glucose. It'll be interesting to see what further research uncovers in the future. Number 9. Combats body odor. Ever wondered what ingredients are included in deodorants to keep us smelling fresh for longer? Well, one of the most common and effective ingredients of them all is lemongrass, which has long been favored for its cleansing and antibacterial properties. Aside from stopping us from smelling funky, deodorants can actually prevent fungal and bacterial infections. All the more reason to stay fresh then. Number 10. Acts as a natural painkiller. Treating recurring headaches can often feel like a bit of a medication game, and it seems the more you take, the more you rely on it. Always go for natural alternatives to headache medication where you can, like lemongrass, which has been found to treat headaches in a similar way to aspirin. Research has found that lemongrass prevents human blood platelets from clumping, which commonly leads to headaches, helping to ward a headache off from forming. Scientists think that something called eugenol, a specific extract found in lemongrass, is the reason for this. Because lemongrass tea is also effective in preventing dehydration, you're less likely to suffer from dehydration-related headaches as a result of adding it to your daily diet. Number 11. Has anti-stress and anxiety effects. Lemongrass is often associated with calming, soothing scents. That's why it's the key scent in so many aroma diffusers, soaps, and candles. One particular study backed lemongrass's calming effects when it found that simply smelling the lemongrass scent was helpful to people with anxiety. Many people already swear on lemongrass as an anxiety cure, although we still need more research to confirm this. Number 12. Cleanses and detoxes. Looking for a natural detox? You'll be interested to know that drinking lemongrass tea has been found to cleanse the body, flushing harmful toxic wastes out. Detoxification isn't just some pointless new health craze. It's been proven to play a key role in the regulation of numerous organs in the body, including the liver and kidneys, while also lowering levels of uric acid, therefore preventing gout. Lemongrass is a diuretic, which means it encourages us to urinate more, helping us to naturally detox and maintain a healthy digestive system. Number 13. Relieves insomnia. We learned earlier on that the lemongrass scent is considered calming enough to reduce anxiety, so it's no surprise that it's also been found to be helpful in calming the muscles and nerves that result in a better and deeper sleep. Lemongrass tea in particular is known to have numerous sedative and hypnotic properties, which, when taken before bed, can help you to sleep for longer and with fewer disturbances. To conclude, with so many remedial benefits on offer, it's no wonder that lemongrass has been used in aromatherapy for years. The nutritious herb is even used to make some natural medicines, so it's really worth adding to your diet if you want to stay healthy and well on a day-to-day basis. There's no limit to what you can do with lemongrass, and even those who have no experience with the herb should be able to adjust to it quickly with minimal fuss. If you want to cook with lemongrass, try adding it to Thai curries, fish or chicken dishes, or stir-fries for a welcoming lemony hit. If you're not much of a chef, drinking lemongrass tea is an easy way to get your daily dose of the herb. You can buy it from most herbal tea stores, or make your own by simply adding lemongrass stalks and honey to hot water. While lemongrass is not the most popular cooking ingredient we use today, there's a good chance it's going to work its way up the ranks very soon. There are so many nutritional advantages to the herb that those who don't take it are simply missing out. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 13 health benefits of lemongrass. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the health benefits of chia seeds. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.